Today we're going to be making some delicious soft pretzels. We're going to add 1.5 cups of warm water. So I'm going to take a cup of boiling water and then a half cup of cold water. We're going to use a tablespoon of yeast and then some warm water and let that sit for a little bit. Make sure it's good. Yep. Activated yeast, 1 tablespoon of butter. It's going to be melted and then cooled a little bit. Spoon. Add in the tablespoon of butter. Add in a teaspoon of salt and tablespoon of cane sugar or brown sugar. Now I'll be adding in my 3.5 cups of flour, and if we need more, I'll come back for more. I'm going to slowly stir in this. So after I'm letting my water boil I'm going to let that boil. It's going to take some time, so while I'm doing that, I'm going to be rolling out my pretzels. I'm going to finish kneading this and then gonna let it sit for 10 minutes and show you how to do the baking soda bath for the pretzels. So now that after that is kneaded, I am going to put a flour towel over it, or a cheesecloth or bread bowl cover, whatever you decide to do, and let it sit for 10 minutes. And now we're going to prepare the baking soda bath. For this, I'm going to wait for the water to boil. Like I said, it's going to take quite a bit of time, so I should probably start this before the dough process. And then I'm going to add, after this boil, I'm going to add half a cup of baking soda to this, and it's going to like bubble. But it's going to be perfect for the pretzels, and what gives it that nice like salty flavor. Fill this up with 9 cups of water. So I think I'll need like probably 2 pans. I'm gonna get the parchment paper. There we go. This should be good by now. So we're gonna start working on this. So now I'm gonna take some more flour and put it here and then start rolling them out. So once again, I'm gonna take another tablespoon. Probably need just a little bit less. You probably don't need that much, but just sprinkle it and take the dough. Roll this into 3 different sections. 1, 2, and 3. That was way off, so get this one a little bit more. Alright, now I'm going to take each one of these and put them in here. Put this one in here. And then I'm going to probably be starting out working with this one. Show you how to roll them out. You can do them either way. You can do them the pretzel shaped, or you can just roll them into little pretzel bites, depending on what you want to do. We do a little bit of both because I feel like the actual pretzel look takes a lot longer, so I'll just do a little bit of both. So while I'm working on this one, it's going to take a little bit. I'm going to put back over my flour cover. I'm going to be doing is rolling it out into a rope. It's going to take a little bit. Alright, so now that those are done, takes a while. They're not going to look the prettiest. What I'm going to do now, we're going to shape them into pretzel form. So normally you can also make them smaller than this if you want. If you want to make bigger pretzel, depending on your choice. What I'm going to do is I'm going to put it here. Let's see. Ta-da! So I still have this remaining. I'll let this rise so that. Yeah. So I'm gonna take this. Do this.
Reaction.
Put it there, and then I'm gonna get a little mixture. I'm gonna get some salt. I'm gonna use some olive oil. So it's gonna be a quick process. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna put like 4 pretzels in here, and you only want to let it sit for like 20 to 30 seconds, or else it'll have a metallic taste afterwards. No good. So I'm going to just drop in, I'm going to try the little nuggets first. Oh, and before that too, I'm also going to set the oven to 400 because we're going to bake them afterwards, after I get all of them done. It's not a huge rush, but just to get them out. Alright, now I'm going to actually try the big pretzel this time. Put it on a different sheet pan, but we're going to see how that goes. I'm just going to put this in here by itself. Put salt on these while I'm waiting. This is really going to use. There we go. My salt olive oil mixture. It's helping me make. Making me help me make some cinnamon.
All that sugar.
Stick it in the oven for 12 to 15 minutes and then clean up while they're cooking. Those are sweet ones. I forgot to also mention that you can either use olive oil, milk, or an egg wash to cover these pretzels with when you put them in the oven. But I just used olive oil. Look really good. Those look like chocolate.
Yes, yes.
Nice golden brown.
Magical.
Well, thank y'all so much for watching. If you liked it, like always, please like, and if you haven't already, please subscribe. And Hope you enjoy this recipe.